Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change your email on SoundCloud step by step. First, start by logging into your SoundCloud from the dashboard. Go to the three dot on the top right corner. Go to settings, and you can see the email address that is currently in here. Click on Add an Email Address and enter your email address. The SoundCloud will send a confirmation email. The email will look something like this. Click here to confirm, and that's it. You have successfully changed your email on SoundCloud. For more SoundCloud tutorials, check our next DelftStack video.